The summer of 1929 was a season of phosphorescence. The most lacquered chassis, the most pearlescent yachts festooned with the most profuse bunting, combined to dazzle all the bootblacks from Almeria who bent to their trade at the foot of La Rambla, around the monument to Columbus, and on the sidewalk cafes of the Plaza de Catalunya. Cabarets, once again, exuded chill champagne, as in the good old days of World War I. Barcelona's hotels were overwhelmed. Anyone with an extra cot or a room ordinarily devoted to fleas had a cannon from Extremadura or a fishmonger from Portbou as a boarder. Some even went so far as to lay mattresses on the rooftops and use the lightning rods for hangers. Barcelona was bubbling in a stew of grandeur, and it was every man for himself. Eyes, cheeks, noses, and sexes found infinite room to play. Nocturnal parties during the exhibition were truly a dream, a prodigious sight that horrified the people of Barcelona. Dinners at Ambassadors, La Rosaleda, Miramar, and their more economical versions at the Hostal del Sol and La Pérgola, together with the wine and roasted almonds from the Patio del Farolillo, served to expand the gastronomic unconsciousness of the country. Anyone with 5 duros, or even without them, went to Montjuic to see the exposition. At closing time, the Ramblas and the cabarets were packed to the gills. At the end of the day, the American fleet would spew out a stream of giant toy sailors dressed like children who would gorge themselves on sweet sherry and the high-octane alcohol known as aguardent, later toppling onto benches or carrying women around on piggyback. Then, a squad of some kind of officers, spiffy and loose-limbed as a Charleston, would beat them down with billy clubs and pile them into a big old wagon. When they reached the Porta de la Pau, they would toss them into the lounges, and the sailors would tumble in with a plop like bales of wet cotton.